So guys, it's really windy, or it has been very windy, and it has rained 3 inches. Is it 3.5 inches of rain? So it rained 3.5 inches of rain today, and it rained all day yesterday, and I'm going to see if the fridge is watertight or not. Okay, it must be watertight, because if it wasn't, everything would be full of water. Here's a spider. Is the freezer watertight? There it goes. It looks like they are both watertight. Now this cardboard thing on the back somehow stayed on through all that rain. It kind of deformed, but it's still there. I think the backyard is not flooded. There's water on everything else. Pretty much water everywhere. Yeah, since our new drain is in, it doesn't flood back there so much. Didn't get it closed. Like, comment, and subscribe.